So how to use Day One Journal Private Diary app. So it's pretty popular app actually, for self-journaling. It was a few times it got design awards, Apple App Store awards, beautiful award winning design, unlimited text entries, powerful rich text formatting with Markdown, different journals for every aspect of your life, private and secure, form and habit and stay consistent. So yeah, pretty cool app. So let's just open it up. You can easily create an account just with Apple ID. And then the idea is that this app will send you daily prompts. So on the left sidebar, you have this daily prompt. You can see the recent prompt, for example, from here. And then that's the idea. You can enable obviously notifications, and then yeah, you can just answer it and then you just have it there. Also, you can just enter a note like this, and then you can also add images, all the additional files. There are some settings you can change formatting, all the like a bit make more advanced titles, headings, lists, quotes. But this app is not a notes app. This is not like iPhone notes app. This is a different purpose. You just kind of self journaling. So some people really like it. I'm not one of the person for that. I haven't tried it yet. I'm using a lot Apple Notes app, but just to quickly note some things I need to remember. That's actually one of my most used apps on iPhone. But this app is more like to form habits, to improve your stability and things like that. So yeah, then for example, you just leave this note. If you don't know what to write, you just have this daily prompt. You have this trick, where you can just have that 5 entries for this week, and then yeah, that's basically the idea. Then there are journal settings. You can also delete journal. You can change some advanced stylings, journal ID, download all journal media. So you can also have that. Yeah, that's the idea. Then there is sync status. You can have like a backup, which can be quite helpful. So yeah, that's basically the idea. I guess yeah, here you can also see some advanced settings. Then you have your account status. If you want, you can then just upgrade. It's 1 month free, so there is 1 month free trial, then $35 per year, so you can get that. Then this is your account. If you tap on it, you can change your profile photo. You can also tap to delete account in the bottom. So yeah, pretty cool. There are templates. There is like a day summary template, like any notable things happened today. I've been thinking about what's next. So, and then yeah, like some people really like this kind of stuff, because you can just spend like 5-10 minutes per day, but then you have clear summary, like clear goals, what you did, what worked out for you, what didn't work out for you, like how do you need to improve. And this is like super helpful. It's kind of like your daily motivation. So yeah, try it out. I haven't tried it before. I think when I was a kid, I was doing that, like just writing every day what I did. So that's also that. And then there are media, so you can also add photo, video, audio, PDF to here. Then there is like a calendar. I guess you can also sync your calendars. So, and then you have your menu in the top left. So with menu you can have, with premium you can have unlimited photos and videos, multiple devices, unlimited journals, audio recording. You can also import photos from Instagram. You can print it, you like print a book. So all of the things like that. So yeah, that's the idea. So hope that is helpful.